All right, February 19, 2026, start of the second half. Jags versus Idaho, Fire and Flood playoff game. Double elimination, loser out. We're up 40-30. But we are missing Covey tonight.
So Brent started out on the bench.
Whoa, good defense they're playing.
Drive on it, Jeff. Take it.
Wow, they're playing great defense.
Ooh.
Wow.
Good to see Jared. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a sweet shot.
The little up and over.
Wow.
Scoop layup. That's off.
Oh no, guys. Good hands, Ryan.
Take him right there.
Oh, Jeff throws it away.
One of the few mistakes he made. Oh, my.
Wow.
Where did that guy come from?
Good rebound. Came out of nowhere. Wow.
What was that?
Miscommunication. All right, they're running a play. All right, 42-35 lead. Oh, not quite quick enough. All right, good job, Jeff. Cut it off. Oh, that's on Jeff. He had cheated.
You got burned on that one.
Yeah. Oh, Scotty gets it back.
So smooth.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, that is so smooth.
All right. Yeah, someone's got to help down there. Yeah, you got to help with that. 5-point game. No.
Ooh, almost. 45-40. Good defense.
Yeah, good defense. Uh-oh, help.
Oh, my lamp. Gotta help. We need some help down there.
They've cut it to 3. Boy, white teams come out strong here. Oh, there it is. There it is. No. Oh, Ryan. Come on, baby. Oh, dang.
Let's see how many seconds. I'll count.
There we go. Yes. Nothing there. Now there is. Oh, there we go.
Nice. Teardrop. No bounce.
Wow. 3-point game. Oh, how'd that not go in? Oh, dang. All right, timeout White. All right, starting back up after the timeout. We got Brent back in the game now. We're recording.
Double check.
Yeah. Oh, they're going to the big guy. They're going to the big guy. Oh, Jared's cutting it off. Ooh, ouch. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. What can you do? Oh. Yeah, we did all we could to stop that play last time. They're going to do it again. All right, don't let him go right, Jeff. Good job, Nick. Nick set that. Nick went in there. Set that up. Okay, the big guy's not anywhere around now. Wide open.
Yeah.
Boom. Got him.
Silky smooth.
All right, they had cut it to 1. Now we're back up by 4. Ooh, moving speed. All right, good job, guys. Oh, there's Brant. Yeah, not quite. You're not putting pressure on. Oh, wow. Oh, they could have called over the back there, but they didn't.
I have no idea how he did that. How did you do that?
Good job, Nick.
Take it, Jeff. Take it. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, wow. We're on a roll. We're on a roll. 55-46 now. All right, help Scotty. Help. Everybody help.
Oh, Jeffrey almost got it.
Oh, wow, we got out of that one. That big guy set up a nice 3-point look, but he just missed it.
Whoa. That was weird. The gym went eerily quiet.
Yeah, it did. All right, Jeff, shot. All right, 35 seconds left, third quarter. He's driving.
Whoa, we got it.
Oh, nothing you can do about that. Careful.
See, that referee won't call that.
15 seconds.
12, 10. Woo! What are they calling it? On the floor? On the floor, I guess.
On the floor, yeah. All right, 9 seconds. All right, that works. Oh, they knocked it out of bounds. 5 seconds.
Should be
Good job,
orange
guys.
ball.
5 seconds. Oh, nice. Oh! Nobody shoots that like Brant. Yeah, no, nobody can shoot that like Brant. All right, in the third quarter.